Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 2.2. Here you can see question number first. Which of the drawing A to D show? Means here we have to match first, second, third, fourth part with these four pictures. Which part will be matched with which picture? Now we have to see. Firstly, I want to tell you here you can see two firstly. See two figures where it is drawn. Here 3, here also 2, here 3 and here 2. Now 2 multiply 1 upon 5. Now here also 2 figure and here also 2 figure. So you will match with which figure? This first part. Now 2 we have seen. Now we will see this 5. Here it is a fraction 1 upon 5. We know that down is the total parts and here 1 upon 5. It means one part is shaded and 5 are the total part. Now see in this picture. Here how many parts? 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 1 is shaded and 5 are total. So it is 1 upon 5. So you will match 1 with D. Now rest 2. Here is 3, here is 3, here 2. So this 2 1 by 2 you can match with this. So third and fourth part also now you can see with which figure you will match with the same method. Now let's see the second question. Some pictures A to C are given below. This is also same like question first. Here right hand side is also given. Means if you want to match these figures with left hand side like this is the same. Here you can match in this way also. If you don't want to see left hand side, then you can see right hand side. By watching right hand side also you can match. Then you have to see the figure right hand side also. Here suppose this method you know, now you came to know. Now I will show from this method how to match. Now right hand side 3 by 5. Now see the now picture right hand side will be this. This is the left side and equal to this side will be the right hand side. Equal to this side right hand side, equal to that side left hand side. Now here also we will see right hand side and here also we will see right hand side. 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 means that figure which has total 5 parts and 3 are shaded. So see here in right hand side, here 3 parts total. In this right hand side see 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts total. Here right hand side see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are total and 3 are shaded. 1, 2, 3. So by watching right hand side also you can match. So this complete first will be matched with C part. So likewise you can solve question first and second. Now question third. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. Third question, there are 10 parts of this. There are 10 parts of this question. I will let you know 8th part. I will let you know 8th part. Rest of the parts you can do yourself. Rest parts will be solved likewise as I will tell you the 8th part. Now let's see the 8th part. Question number 3rd of exercise 2.2. Here is the statement. Multiply and reduce the lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. So there are 10 parts of this question. Rest of the parts you can try yourself. I'll tell you 8th part. As 8th part we will solve, likewise other parts also we can solve very easily. Now 8th part is 20 multiply 4 by 5. In multiply we can cancel numerator with denominator. If here is no denominator, so we can consider 1 as denominator. We will write it likewise. Now we can cancel out 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20. So numerator is left 4 multiply 4 and denominator 1 multiply 1. So 1 multiply 1 will be 1 only. So we will multiply numerator with numerator. Here answer we got 16. But if we will get the answer in improper fraction, then we can change it in mixed fraction. But here answer we got a number, not in fraction. So 16 is our answer. Now let's discuss the fourth question. Question number 4 of exercise 2.2. Shade first part 1 by 2 of the circles in the box, 2 by 3 triangles in the box B, 3 by 5 of the square in the box C. I will tell you part third of question fourth. First and second you can try yourself. Third part is 3 by 5 of the squares we have to shade here. Now we have to take out 3 by 5 squares will be how many squares we have to shade. So 3 by 5 we know down it is total parts and up it is shaded part. In fraction down used to be total parts and up used to be shaded parts, or used how many we are using. See here now. There are total squares. How many here you can count? These are, if you will count these squares, these are 15 squares. So down we need 15. By which number we will multiply to 5? We will get 15. With 3, if denominator we will multiply with 3, then numerator also we need to multiply with 3. So we will get 9 upon 15. 15 are the total squares and 9 we have to shade. I am showing you how to solve this. Now these were 15 squares. I have multiplied denominator with 3, then numerator also we have to multiply with 3. 9 upon 15. This if we will cancel it, we will get 3 by 5 only. This I have just told you for making understand that 9 upon 15 is equivalent to 3 by 5 only. So here we will not do this step. This step you have not to do. Cutting cancel step you have not to do. You have to see just 9 upon 15. 9 upon 15 means 9 are shaded parts and 15 are total. So 9 part you can shade here. You have to shade likewise only. Like this you can't shade continuously, because if continuously we will shade here, one box will left. So out of 5 3 boxes are shaded here, out of 5 3 boxes are shaded here, out of 5 3 boxes are shaded here. If total we will see, then 9 are shaded. So first and second you try yourself. Let's see question 5th. Question 5th of exercise 2.2. Here is the statement. There are 4 parts of question 4. I'll tell you here one part. Other parts you can solve with the same method. 1 by 2 of 24. Of meaning is multiply. 1 by 2 multiply 24. We will cancel here, no denominator. We will consider 1. Cancel out numerator with denominator. We will get answer 12. Let's see the question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Same is here. Multiply it is, we can cancel numerator with denominator. Firstly this mixed fraction we will change in improper fraction. If we can cancel anything, then okay, any number we can cancel, otherwise we will multiply. Here we can't cancel these and these, so we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. If we get the answer as improper fraction, after that we can change it in mixed fraction. If we will divide here, you will get remainder 3. So in mixed fraction we can write the answer quotient will be here 3 upon 5. This is the answer. We have changed in mixed fraction. Now let's see question number 7. Find 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. Here also one part I am telling you, other parts you can try yourself. 1 by 2 of means multiply 2 3 by 4. Change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. If you can cancel numerator with denominator, then cancel, otherwise multiply. Here we can't cancel, so multiply. 11 upon 8 we got. If we will divide it, after that we can change in mixed fraction. So now let's discuss the 8th number question. Question number 8 of exercise 2.2. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle and contained 5 liters of water. Means in that bottle, which bottle mother gave, in that there is 5 liters water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Means Vidya used this much water and Pratap consumed the remaining water. And which water was left, that consumed by Pratap. Now we have to find out how much water did Vidya drink. How much water Vidya drank. Now let's see first part. Firstly we will write total quantity of water in bottle 5 liter. Vidya consumed, we know Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of 5 liter. Total water was 5 liter. Out of total water she used 2 by 5. Of means multiply, we will find out here. 2 by 5 multiply 5. it will be 2 liter. 5 will be cancelled with 5, 2 will left. So we can say Vidya drank 2 liter water from the bottle. Now what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Firstly we will find out how much water Pratap drank, then we will find out the fraction. Now let's see the second part. Pratap consumed the water. Firstly we will see how much water Pratap consumed. There was 1 liter, 1 bottle, and from that 2/5 part was of bottle which consumed by Vidya. So 1 minus 2/5, remaining part will be 3/5. After taking LCM, when you will solve it, 3/5 part of the bottle will be consumed by Pratap. So Pratap consumed 3/5 part out of 5 liter. So we will find out here 3 liter water Pratap consumed. That was the Pratap consumed the water 3/5 part. Here we took out the part because we were not known the part of also how much he used. Part of bottle now we got. Now we will find out how much water he drank out of 5 liter. 3/5 of 5 we will find out 3 liter. Now we will find out the fraction. In fraction I told you numerator will be used part and denominator will be total. Total water is 5 liter and how much he drank 3. So 3/5 3 liter. 3 liter he drank, 3/5 will be fraction. So this is the question number 8, first and second part. Now the exercise 2.2 is completed. In next class we will discuss exercise 2.3. Okay, thank you.